Ako ay natutuwa sa aking pamangkin at 21 pa lang ay nakabili na ng sarili niyang car. He bought it in cash. Proud tita here. Kakatawa nga naman. He knows how to manage his finances well and he's also diligent and hardworking like his dad. Tsaka responsable siya, marunong siya sa buhay at may pangarap din. Naalala ko nga yung classmate ko dati, matagal na. Sabi niya, ang goal ko pag 25 na ako, dapat meron na akong house and lot. Nakaka-inspire nga naman pag may goal ka. Mas nagiging persigido ka at may inspirasyon. Libre nga naman ang mangarap basta samahan lang ng sipag at tiyaga. Walang imposible. Makakamit mo lahat ng minimithi mo. Basta kasama mo si Lord at may tiwala ka sa Kanya. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your paths. A man's heart plans his course, but the Lord directs his steps.